Hello, YouTube. Alright, so I have an internet work that asked for, oh my goodness, I cannot pronounce the name of this outdoor camera. Ubiquiti G4 Pro. Ubiquiti. So anyways, I guess he was trying to repair it or something, and it dropped, and now he like hears this rattling noise, and he tried to get inside of this camera, except every forum that he has read says the same thing. It says take the top. So here is the top. If you can see, it has 3 indentations, and we kind of scuffed it up a bit because we realized that it was kind of like a bearing. So if you see, the aluminum part spins while the outside does not. So you can hold on to the outside, which everyone keeps turning, and that's why people are trying to find out how the top comes off, because the black thing just stays. It's the aluminum that needs to spin. So I made a tool. You can see right here, it has like a thumb type of screw on the top side, and on the bottom side are these little keys, and the keys sit in those 3 indentations on the lens. So as you can see there, it fits perfectly. And here's a small video on how it looks like. Okay, so you can see that the tool is in place and those little grooves there. And this aluminum part, when you turn that, the tool that I made, when you turn that, the aluminum starts turning. But you'll notice that the black part stays in place, so it's kind of like a bearing. That's the annoying part that people don't realize. So I had to make this video to help everyone. So in this last video here, I found the problem, and I put the camera back together again, and I showed him the tool. So this is him using the tool for the first time, and he absolutely loved it. So but yeah, hopefully this helps someone.